I started really making videos for YouTube, or should I say building my YouTube channel, about 3 to 6 months ago, in 2024. I did it because most of my life I have been for the most part a thinker. You could say I was born during the baby boomer era of the 60s. Back then children were raised to be seen and not heard. Now that I am much older, I just want folks to hear more about what I have to say and about what I think. Time runs out for all of us. So I thought I would start a YouTube channel called Topics with Rob, because that left the door open for me to talk about anything. When I first started, I was fearful of putting myself out there for the whole world to see. As you can see, I am not that easy to look at if you go to my channel. But then again, I think, well, it is not that bad. However, I discovered my voice was not that interesting to listen to either. But soon I discovered that I could make faceless videos and voiceovers, or just use AI to help me do some videos. But there is something to be said for staying true to who you are, just like about everyone else. I am chasing the dream of having enough views and getting enough subscribers to help me getting monetized on YouTube. However, this video is about the journey of becoming a full-time YouTuber. The steps I am taking, what I have learned, what I am still doing, and the mistakes I made, and what I fixed to try to get more views on my channel and views in my videos. So follow along with me to becoming hopefully a better YouTuber and more content on my Topics with Rob YouTube channel. Or you can see them on my Facebook page as well, also Topics with Rob. Don't forget to look at all my videos of my journey called Chasing YouTube. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel.